So I was brought up on this stuff and I still love it today. I really, really love it. This is Bubble and Squeak. It's a very sort of British thing. I think there's a few versions of it around the world. I think the Australians do something slightly different with it. But yeah, delicious, delicious, simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 3 cups of mashed potato, 3 cups of cooked white cabbage, 1 cup of onion. We're gonna add salt and pepper. I'll chat a little bit more about the history of this dish as we go along. So you can see that I've got the 3 ingredients in a mixing bowl, and we're now gonna add salt and black pepper. I'm gonna go quite heavy on the black pepper. Now, you may also have noticed that I've got a glove on because I'm gonna get in there now and we're gonna mash all this together. Get it all together like this. So there's no set ingredients for this. The basis of it is kind of using stuff up. It's like you have a Sunday dinner or Sunday roast, and then the next morning or the next day, all the leftovers can go in here. So there could be carrots in this. There could be parsnips in it. There could be peas in it. There could be roast potatoes, you know, mushed up in here. And it gets its name from the sound it makes as you fry it. So yeah, no set ingredient, but yeah, I think I always sort of had it like this really as a kid. Anyway, let me get mash in here, and then we're simply going to get to the cooker and we're going to fry it and fry it and fry it. So you're going to need a skillet or frying pan or something like that. I'm just going to do it in this little wokky thing here. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil, sunflower oil, canola, something like that's all right. Bit of butter maybe. You can see we've got our mixture. The heat's on, and we're going to put it all in. Now the heat's on quite high. I've just put that on. Let me just scrape it all out here. Now, like I say, anything goes in this, and the amounts as well. Like I've used, you know, like you saw, equal parts of cabbage to potato, but yeah, do what you like. Now, what we need to do is we're going to fry it, and as it burns, we're going to flip it. Like it gets golden brown and gets a bit crispy, we're going to flip it into itself. So it's probably going to take about 7 or 8 minutes of me doing this. So we want it to get a bit golden brown or even a little blackening, like I say, a little kind of burning on it, and then flip it over. So just keep going. It's going to be wonderful. It takes a little while, but it's delicious stuff. Can you see as I'm turning it over, we're getting that browning on there. We need loads more of that. We need to really keep going. So yeah, I think this has sort of been around since the 18th century or something. I've just had a little look on Google. It's saying it's been around since the 18th century, and it used to have beef in it as well. But nowadays, you'll find this in a workman's cafe or a cafe. We call it a cafe in the UK. Where you'll get, you know, like a big old breakfast. So you go in there and order what you like: sausage, egg, beans, mushrooms, bacon, and you can order bubble as well in many places. And they refer to it just as bubble, not as Bubble and Squeak. But yeah, we're going to keep going here. And the more you burn it, the better it's going to taste. We've got a long way to go. Scrape all these bits off the bottom, you know, scrape it, mix it in. That's where all the flavour's going to happen. So some people would like it just like this, but I'm going to go more. I like it really kind of burnt up. So I'm going to go for about another, I might go for about another 5 minutes. I'm going to keep going. You can see it's kind of drying out a little bit. It's lost some of its moisture. But yeah, beautiful stuff. If you wanted now, you could get like a knob of butter in there, like, you know, a tablespoon of butter in there, and the butter will burn very quickly. We've used oil, which burns at a lesser rate. But yeah, I'm going to keep going. I love this. I mean, I sort of grew up on this. Lovely stuff. Not sure if you can hear that, but it is starting to squeak now. It's been bubbling, but it's now squeaking. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm kind of happy there now. You could go a little bit more if you wanted, but that's really delicious stuff. Then there you have it, fantastic. So that goes great with, like, you know, some fried eggs, beans, sausage, bacon, mushrooms, you know, or you can have it just like that if you like. I mean, I'm happy to eat that just like that. Anything goes in it, like I say. Yeah, been around forever. If you're a Brit, then you'll know exactly what that is. If you're not a Brit, give it a go, it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love.